Ford Performance SuperCharger KIT unlocks 800 horsepower on your 2024 Mustang GT at a cost of $10,000. Let's get into it. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is your boy Javi here, bringing you another Tech Tuesday. Not Tech Tuesday because it's not Tech Tuesday, just another tech talk. But first of all, before we get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to you guys for tuning in and subscribing to the channel. If you guys haven't done that, go right ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up if you guys are rocking with the content. Remember, not only we do car shows, we do vehicle reviews, we do my own personal project cars, and we do the tech talk where I keep you up to date with what's going on in the market, the automotive market right now. So let's get into the video. Ford Performance released a kit and debuted it on the Ford Mustang, the Ford Concept FP800S. The FP800S Mustang is this one right here. If you guys don't know which one it is, this one was released at SEMA. It was debuted at SEMA, and it was definitely a big hit. Now, the kit that was debuted on this vehicle is available for you to buy right now. So your 2024 Mustang V8, whether it's a GT or a Dark Horse, you can now get this supercharged kit that unlocks 810 horsepower at a cost of $10,000. And again, I always tell you guys that leave me a comment and tell me what you guys think. So the Ford Mustang FP800S was debuted at SEMA, and it was a pretty much big hit. It featured a supercharger, it was lowered, it featured carbon fiber, it featured a Borla 5.0 tip. It is a 3.0-liter supercharged kit, and the good thing about this kit is that it's state legal and is legal in California. It's in compliance with the CARB regulation, and you're definitely going to be able to get it. Now let's look at an engine pick. This is an engine pick of that, and we can see the supercharger right up top. We see the dual intake going to the side, and we see the big supercharge in the middle. It will come with a 3-year warranty, 36,000 miles from Ford Performance, and it will be available for you guys to purchase. Now, the kit claims that it takes your Mustang all the way up from 410, your 5.0-liter V8, from 480 to 810, and it provides 615 pounds-feet of torque. Now, the cost is going to be $99.95, and let me tell you, I am very, very happy that Ford is doing this, despite the fact that some of these companies are killing the V8. As we saw, Chevy no longer going to make the Camaro, Dodge and Challenger, they're gone. We know about that. We see that Ford is taking up the reins and is doing what it has to do for the V8 muscle car people, for the V8 muscle car era, for the hot rod enthusiasts and the V8 muscle car enthusiasts, especially for the more Mustang enthusiasts. So when this Mustang was released, a lot of the enthusiasts and a lot of the Ford Performance fans were in doubt whether we were going to get this kit or not. And it's finally here, but it's going to be at a cost of $10,000. Now, you remember also when the Ford F-150 FP700 released, it also pretty much had the same treatment. It was lowered, it had a Borla exhaust, and it has some carbon fiber elements to it, but that one had a stronger half shaft. And also people were left in the blank whether we were going to get it or not. But it's finally here. So there is going to be a special edition one going to come out for the Dark Horse, but as of now, both kit fits on both Dark Horse and the GT, and it's compatible with automatic and manual. So what do you guys think? We have a Mustang with 800 horsepower, pretty much eliminating the middleman. There's no more tuning, there's no more installing parts. For 10 grand, you're getting this Ford Performance supercharger, which is going to be amazing. Now, it includes a 92mm throttle body, port fuel injections from the Mustang GT 500, and like I said, it is state legal in pretty much every state, even in California. You know, if it's state legal in California, you know it's a damn good job. Anyways, what do you guys think about this kit right now, all you Mustang enthusiasts? So anyways, let's look at the Ford FP800S, and we can see here a side picture of it. I love that blue. This was the one that was debuted. This is like a flat blue with like a flat white essence, carbon fiber essence, meaning there's white with blue contrast, and I freaking love it. This is the engine again, as we spoke, and this is the back part of it. We see obviously the dual exhaust on each side. We see the wing. I love the wheels, and I love what they did with this concept. And pretty much this concept was kind of like to tell us what's coming in for the near future. Now, if we look at the FP700, which was the Ford F-150, this is what it looks like. It looks amazing. I love it. I think if you lower this truck right here, I mean, it obviously comes lower, but if you lower it a little bit, you put your meaty drag pack, this is gonna be a hell of a nice looking truck. But anyways, it's glad to see that Ford is taking the reins in the V8 muscle car world platform hot rod era for all those enthusiasts of the V8 and the Mustang. It's glad to see that we have a company still pushing forward on that, while others decide to kill the V8. Even the Hemi, which is such a iconic engine, is no longer going to be in production. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to tune in and subscribe, and your boy is out.